Can I see your ID?
Yes.
Thank you. Do you have a small slip with you?
No, I forget.
Do you remember your candidate number? Just tell me what is your candidate number?
11073
Simran ji. Just a minute. As this is International English Language Testing System, so I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 110738. Well, my name is Satyendu, and what shall I call you?
My name is Simran. You can call my nickname Simran.
Okay. Simran, first of all, just let me know, are you a student or do you work?
I am a student. Recently I passed my graduation from Punjab University Patiala, and recently I am pursuing my study in IELTS.
Okay. So, what was the major subject during your previous study?
I read literature, history and political science. There are multifarious reasons why I choose that subject, because I found more interesting to them. When I started to read literature, I know various cultures and traditions in my country, as well as in the history. I got to know more about historical events that took place in the background of my country.
Okay. So, did you enjoy your study?
Yes, I enjoy my study a lot. Actually, whenever I feel stressed, I do not prefer to read more and more just to have relax and fun with my family. But when I feel more relaxed and not feel pressurized, I usually focus on my study and I usually concentrate.
Alright. So, Simran, let's talk something about cold weather. Have you ever been in very cold weather?
Yes, I have been number of times when I was in cold weather. Actually, I remember at once in a time when I went to Amritsar in winter vacations. Actually, the matter of fact is that my uncle came from Italy after 12 years, and he forced my all family members to visit Amritsar, as well as it was very cold day and outside, and there was very foggy outside the road. So I found it was very difficulty to go any places in winter as compared to the summer.
How often is the weather cool at the place where you come from?
It is not oftenly, because it is a diverse country. There are 5 major seasons, which includes the summer, winter, monsoon, spring and autumn. And it is and the winter season comes from till December, from January.
Is there any effect of cold weather or the change in weather and the lifestyle of a person?
Yes, they totally change the lifestyle of people, because people prefer to wear more warmer clothes, as well also prefer to cook various dishes that they do not cook in summer days, because due to hot weather. As well as it also are major benefits of cold weather, like if compared with the hot weather, the bill of electricity have an absorber, because the uses of electrical appliance they do not take place more in people's life. So I think cold weather is more beneficial.
And do you enjoy to eat something in particular in cold weather?
Yes, I enjoy a lot in cold weather. I remember once time I went to Shimla with my family. Actually, it went to place last summer vacation during the COVID-19. I enjoyed the most. But the most attractive thing that I like the most is snow that usually come in Shimla.
Is there something special weather that you like to eat in cold weather?
Yes, it is very something like marriage because I am came from a country where people mostly prefer to organize their marriage events as well as some birthday parties and some small events in usually in cold weather because on that time people are free as well as also their mind are very more concentrated and feel relaxed due to the cold weather conditions.
Would you prefer to live in a place where it is very cold?
I do not prefer to live in a place where it is very cold. It is very cold because sometimes it also becomes obstacle for the people like to go outside from their homes. They find more difficulty. So I do not usually prefer.
Okay. So Simran, let's move to second part. Here I would give you a topic and you need to speak about that topic for 2 minutes and you have 1 minute to think about your ideas. You can even make notes if you want to do so. The topic that you need to speak about is a situation when you have someone. Your time starts now. Just try to. Can you start?
Well, I am a kind of person who always have purpose. It doesn't matter for me how it is conditioned regarding financial as well as sometimes I always give my every love to help the person who need it most. But here in this card, I would like to talk about the person about the circumstances when I had one of my close friend. Actually, it was happened around a year ago when I completed my graduation study. My best friend has a name Amanpreet Singh, but as a matter of fact is that he comes from poor family, but he is intelligent and smart in their study. Due to their financial circumstances, he was not able to pay their fees as well as their mother got hospitalized. So their all money went into their medication. Moreover, their parents was not able to pay their fees. All things he described from me, and after that I gave my every nerve to help because he was a dire need of money. He was good in study, but he was not able to sit in exam during their financial situations. After that, I came from my home and asked my parents to help me help me. After that, he gave me money and I helped my close friend and I immediately in the next day I went to school and filled their fee.
Do you always love to help others?
Yes, I always love to help to that people who need it mostly. Sometimes I usually prefer to give food as well as provide shelter whenever they need.
What kind of help is the best to provide?
I think providing food to the poor people is the best help as compared to the others because when people help to the poor people, he knows that it is like a pleasure feeling that he serve, that he feel whenever he help the other people. So I think it is the best help to someone.
Can help be harmful in some cases?
harmful in some cases, because sometimes people always devote their all money to have the needy persons, have the needy person, as well as sometimes there are many organizations around the world who always donate the other people's money to a poor people, but as a matter of fact he is not honest in their work, and sometimes he always used other people's money in their own purpose. So it is a waste of money, I think. But instead of investing their money in organizations, they should prefer to help by their own perspective way.
Okay. Are there any advantages of not helping others?
I think I earlier mentioned that there are many advantages of not helping others, because sometimes people are not able to help others, but they help because due to their state of mind, their habit become to help the needy people in any way. So due to their financial circumstances, sometimes he debt from the bank to help the needy person, which due to it in their further life he face a lot of puzzle in their life.
So do you feel that children should be taught to help others?
Yes, I think parents should always teach their children to help others, because it is the best way. Because sometimes whenever we help the others, it is like a feeling to serve the society, as well as also volunteer work, develop the various skills in people's character, like cooperation, and they also get feeling to understand the feeling of poor people. So I think it is best to taught teachers to taught children regarding help.
Okay. So if we compare the present scenarios with the past, do you feel that these days people are less willing to help others as compared to the past?
Yes, nowadays people are become more self-centered and they do not prefer to help others, because I think if I compare with others, nowadays there are many expenses which they have to wear regarding their household chores, household expenses. So they usually do not prefer to help others. Instead of they fulfill their own basic needs.
Is there any role of trust, like we have said that people are less willing to help others? Do you also feel that they trust others, like there is less trust within the people as it used to be in the past?
Yes, I think there is a less trust, as well as there is less cooperation between the people if compared with the past. In the past, people were more willing to help others and always trust with each other at any point of their life. But in nowadays, people do not prefer to help others and usually always think their own benefits rather than thinking the other people's advantage of anything. So they become self-centered and always put their own benefits in front of their mind.
Okay, so is becoming self-centered a positive development or is it negative?
I think there is a negative development up to a great extent, because if I talk about if they become more self-centered in life, they do not realize the feeling of poor people, and they do not realize the feeling of humanity, as well as they do not prefer to do various volunteer work to serve the society. So I think it is very beneficial to help the others and recognize the feeling of humanity in our personality.
Alright, so this is the end of your speaking test. We will leave. Thanks for coming.